So there's my P900 again, fitted with a Beta solar film filter and mounted on top of the telescope. Now, as you can see, I've just stabilised the camera with some sticky tape here to prevent it from moving up and some foam underneath to prevent it from moving down. Because what I noticed in my previous videos was that the sun would jump around a little bit. Now, at first I thought it was the mount not being correctly aligned, but I've bought a new mount this week. It's a Skywatcher mount. It's much more substantial. And I have also taken the last 2 days to get an absolutely perfect polar alignment. And that means it's going to be capable of tracking objects across the sky, day or night, with extreme precision. So I know the mount was working well. I was still getting a little bit of motion of the sun in the camera. And what I realized was it's due to the flex in this plastic mount. You know, the P900 is quite nose heavy. When the telescope is at an angle like that in the middle of the day, the P900 was causing that mount to flex backwards, but as the telescope followed the sun and became more horizontal in the afternoon, the weight of this camera was then causing the mount to flex downwards, and that was giving the effect of the sun moving up in the frame. Now you'll see, having stabilized it in the following time lapse, the result is much better. It's much more consistently center frame. This Skywatcher mount can also be fitted with a second telescope, and I'm planning to put a second one on, probably a little hydrogen alpha scope, dedicated solar scope, so we should be able to get some spectacular results of the sun in the future.